Hello viewers. Today I was telling about how to add Instagram following and followers list. For that we need to go to Instagram account, go to the profile. Here we see the three lines. Click on that. We need to click on settings and privacy. Scroll down. You see the account privacy. So we need to put on our account in private account. If you put your account in private account means nobody can see your followers and following list. I'll show you example. I have two different of accounts. I was searching that my username is editor by I was searching. So now this account is private. I can't see your follow and following list. Thank you.